Today, we'll start by looking at why supply chains are much more than just systems for moving goods. In today's global and competitive market, a strong supply chain is a key factor that affects a company's profitability, resilience, and customer satisfaction. When supply chains are carefully designed, they can help reduce costs, speed up delivery, and make a company more flexible and able to respond quickly to disruptions. But supply chains today are also more complex due to things like high customer expectations for fast delivery, geopolitical risks, shifting raw material prices, and unexpected events such as pandemics or transportation issues. If a supply chain is slow or not aligned with the company's goals, it can lead to higher costs, shortages, poor service, or even threaten the business itself. This presentation will explore how a strong supply chain strategy adds real value, how to build one, and what impact it has on overall company performance. One of the major benefits of a good supply chain strategy is cost reduction, achieved through smarter sourcing, better inventory management, and streamlined logistics to cut waste and expenses. Companies that synchronize purchasing with demand planning often save a lot by avoiding excess stock and gaining better bargaining power with suppliers. A well-structured supply chain plays a crucial role in delivering products on time, in full, and in good condition, which directly enhances customer satisfaction by meeting or exceeding expectations. This builds loyalty and strengthens the brand's reputation, which are essential for long-term success. Leading companies like Amazon and Zara show how supply chain excellence creates a competitive advantage by enabling speed, adaptability, and reliability that help them outperform competitors and set industry standards. Additionally, a strong supply chain strategy increases resilience by anticipating and mitigating risks such as supplier failures, transportation delays, or political disruptions, ensuring stability even during crises. From a financial perspective, efficient supply chains lower operational costs, reduce the capital tied up in inventory, and improve forecasting accuracy, all of which boost profit margins and return on investment. Public companies with strong supply chain capabilities often deliver higher shareholder value over time. To develop an effective supply chain strategy, it must align with the overall business goals. For example, cost leadership companies focus on efficiency and scale. Differentiation-focused businesses prioritize flexibility and responsiveness, and those emphasizing customer experience require reliability and excellent service. When the supply chain supports the company's core value proposition, it becomes a powerful driver of business success. To develop an effective supply chain strategy, it's important to first understand market demand and customer requirements through detailed analysis of buying patterns, delivery expectations, and service needs. This helps segment demand so companies can prioritize fast-moving products for quicker fulfillment while managing slow movers with cost-efficient storage. Next, mapping and evaluating the entire supply chain, from sourcing, procurement, manufacturing, warehousing, transportation, and distribution to returns and reverse logistics, allows companies to spot bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and vulnerabilities that need addressing. Based on this, choosing the right supply chain model is critical. Common approaches include lean models focusing on waste reduction, agile models for flexibility, hybrids combining both, digital supply chains leveraging data and automation, and resilient models prioritizing risk management. The chosen model should align with demand variability, product life cycles, and overall business goals. Strengthening supplier relationships through strategic partnerships, long-term agreements, and tools like supplier scorecards and joint planning sessions helps create stability and improve communication. Finally, investing in technology and data, such as demand forecasting software, supports smarter decision-making and enhances overall supply chain performance. Using tools like inventory optimization systems, advanced analytics, warehouse automation, IoT tracking, digital twin simulations, and AI-powered risk assessment gives better visibility across the supply chain, which leads to improved decision-making, responsiveness, and cost efficiency. Building flexibility and risk management is essential, and this involves strategies like multi-sourcing to reduce dependence on a single supplier, diversifying logistics routes, maintaining safety stock for critical items, scenario planning, and monitoring the financial health of suppliers. These steps help ensure continuity when unexpected disruptions happen. Measuring performance through key performance indicators such as on-time delivery, fill rate, order accuracy, inventory turnover, and supply chain cost as a percentage of sales is crucial for tracking success and driving continuous improvement. Looking at real-world examples, Amazon exemplifies supply chain leadership by integrating robotics, AI, and predictive analytics to optimize stock management and speed up delivery, enabling fast shipping options that support their mission of reliable service and customer loyalty. Similarly, Toyota's lean supply chain, built on its just-in-time system, revolutionized manufacturing by focusing on reducing waste, improving quality, and maintaining strong supplier relationships to achieve high efficiency and responsiveness. Toyota's lean approach demonstrates how focusing on efficiency and product reliability can help cut costs without losing quality. Zara uses an agile supply chain to quickly bring new fashion designs to stores, sometimes in just 14 days. By producing close to home and using real-time sales data, they reduce unsold inventory and better match customer demand. Procter & Gamble takes a data-driven approach by integrating information with retailers like Walmart to forecast demand accurately and manage inventory more effectively. This reduces stockouts and improves replenishment, which lowers costs and keeps customers satisfied. Strong supply chain strategies bring several advantages. They lower operating costs by cutting waste and optimizing transport, improve service levels so customers get products faster and with fewer errors, and increase market responsiveness to quickly adapt to demand changes. These strategies also boost profitability by reducing extra costs, build a stronger competitive position by offering unique capabilities, and enhance risk management by better preparing for potential disruptions. The image here shows a coordinated effort, highlighting the importance of efficiency and teamwork in supply chain operations. Diversifying sourcing and maintaining flexible logistics are key strategies that help companies build resilience against disruptions. A strong supply chain not only supports day-to-day operations but also accelerates the development and launch of new products, fostering innovation. However, these benefits come with challenges. Implementing advanced technologies and upgrading warehouses can require significant investment. Managing the increased complexity of suppliers, data systems, and logistics partners demands specialized skills and capabilities. There's also a risk of becoming too dependent on technology, which makes operations vulnerable to system failures or cybersecurity threats. Relying heavily on a single supplier or region can create significant vulnerabilities as well. Supply chains need continuous updates to keep pace with market changes, since static approaches quickly become outdated. Finally, modern supply chains require talent with strong analytical, digital, and managerial skills, which can be difficult to find or develop. Balancing these advantages and limitations is critical to maintaining an effective and agile supply chain. A well-designed supply chain strategy plays a key role in driving company performance and long-term success, rather than being just a support function. Companies that align their supply chains with their business goals see real benefits in cost efficiency, speed, resilience, and customer satisfaction. Examples from Amazon, Toyota, Zara, and P&G clearly demonstrate how excelling in supply chain management can create a competitive edge while improving financial results. However, developing an effective supply chain isn't easy. It demands investment, advanced technology, skilled talent, and continuous adjustments to keep up with global changes. The most successful companies treat their supply chain as a strategic and evolving capability, rather than simply a logistical task.